अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने 2 से 3 हफ्तों में ईरान जंग खत्म करने का इंदिया दे दिया। व्हाइट हाउस में मीडिया से गुफ्तगू में एक बार फिर बावर करवाया कि ईरान में रजीम तब्दीली हो चुकी है, अब नए लोग काफ़ी समझदार हैं और उनसे मुज़ाकरात जारी हैं। मौजूदा ईरानी रजीम पहले से कम शिद्दत पसंद है। सदर ट्रंप ने यह भी कहा कि ईरान में सिर्फ रजीम चेंज मकसद नहीं था, बल्कि ईरान को जौहरी हथियारों से दूर रखना चाहते थे। अमरीकी सदर ने दावा किया कि हमलों के जरिए ईरान को बहुत पीछे धकेल दिया गया है। अब ईरान को तामीर नौ में 15 से 20 साल लग जाएंगे।
To do is leave Iran, and we'll be doing that very soon. And we had regime change already. We've knocked out one regime, then we knocked out the second regime. Now we have a group of people that are very different. They're much more reasonable. I think much less radicalized. We have had regime change. We're dealing with people that are much more rational. We're negotiating with them right now. We have had regime change. Now, regime change was not one of the things I had as a goal. I had one goal. They will have no nuclear weapon. And that goal has been attained. They will not have nuclear weapons. But we're finishing the job. And I think within maybe 2 weeks, maybe a couple of days longer, if they come to the table, that'll be good. But it doesn't matter whether they come or not. We've set them back. It'll take 15 to 20 years for them to rebuild what we've done to them.